Breaking news coming in. Hearing is on in Rhea Chakraborty's plea. It is underway in the Supreme Court as we speak. Rhea's charge is that considerable amount of state interference has been there. Serious apprehension of bias. Rhea's lawyer says that there is a considerable delay of over 38 days in filing the FIR in Patna. All the events that are mentioned in the FIR filed by Sushant Singh Rajput's father are related to Mumbai. So that's the fresh plea in the Supreme Court. At the moment, the hearing is underway. Manish Pandey is joining us, breaking the story first here on India Today. We're going to stay on top of the story and get you all the very latest details. So, Manish, it's clear that as far as Rhea is concerned, her apprehension is about a bias, and she says that there's been a considerable amount of state interference, and somewhere she wants the probe to be shifted from Bihar. Is it clear now whether she would like, ideally would like the CBI to be probing this case or the Mumbai police, but she definitely looks like wants to have the jurisdiction shifted at this point.
Yeah, absolutely, Chaiti. And Shyam Diwan, the senior advocate and legal counsel of Rhea Chakraborty, before the Supreme Court, he is stating at this point of time is that the Bihar police has no jurisdiction. And even after the crime taking place in Mumbai, the Patna police went ahead and filed an FIR in this case. So what they are claiming at this point of time is that the Bihar police's FIR is illegal and the case should be investigated by the Mumbai police. Also, they have mentioned about the Maharashtra police's affidavit, in which Maharashtra police has said that they are satisfied with the probe of Mumbai police. So clearly at this point of time, Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer maintained that they are happy with the probe of Mumbai police, and even if they are, even if Bihar police is probing the this case, that FIR should be transferred to Mumbai or before the Bandra Metropolitan Court. Apart from that, remember yesterday there was an affidavit filed by Rhea Chakraborty, and she said that if the court wants to give the case to Central Bureau of Investigation, she has no objection, but the case and the jurisdiction should be Mumbai. So they are pressing this before the Supreme Court that whatever happens, they are happy, but till the time the case is before the Mumbai court. Also, Shyam Diwan has maintained that again, she is being victimized by social media, and also there have been trolling on social media against Rhea Chakraborty. He also maintains that Rhea
Senior
Chakraborty
advocate Shyam Diwan, who is representing Rhea Chakraborty in the Supreme Court, has also made an observation in the Supreme Court, or rather presented an argument in the Supreme Court that Rhea was in love with the deceased. She's under trauma after his death, and she is now being victimized and trolled on social media platforms. This is, of course, referring to a section of media that has quite sensationalized this entire case and somewhere caused an infringement to her privacy as well, and that is something that is being fiercely going to be argued in the Supreme Court as well.
Yeah, well, and even in the affidavit filed before the Supreme Court yesterday, Rhea maintained that the media trial in this case is going on, and now Shyam Diwan going ahead and saying that she was girlfriend of the person who has died. She is traumatized, but still she is being victimized and trolled on social media. Also, Mr. Shyam Diwan has maintained that court should also look into the affidavit filed by the state of Maharashtra. He is at this point of time reading the Maharashtra affidavit on legal provisions related to the jurisdiction of the case. The Maharashtra police affidavit is speaking about zero FIR and jurisdiction of investigation. So, Mr. Shyam Diwan, in overall, he is maintaining that whatever happens, give this case to Mumbai police, or even if the case is being given to Central Bureau of Investigation, the jurisdiction should be Mumbai or Maharashtra, because the crime has taken place in Maharashtra, whereas the Bihar police's FIR, according to them, is illegal because the crime has not taken place in Bihar, and the address of the crime which has been mentioned in the Bihar police's FIR is the address where KK Singh resides. So, now we have to wait and watch that what the other counsels in this case, the legal counsels, are going to argue before the court, because today the Supreme Court may also decide.
Hold on, Raja. Sanjay Sharma is joining us as well. Sanjay, what are you getting in terms of what is happening at the Supreme Court right now? Manish has updated us in terms of what the arguments are which have been put forth by Rhea's lawyer. What else is happening right there, Sanjay?
They are describing all things they have written in their reply and the fresh affidavit, and they are saying that the FIR, which is registered in Patna, must be transferred to Mumbai Bandra Police, and the whole investigation should be go ahead in Mumbai itself. Either Ria's lawyer also said that the family's allegations are actually false, and they are alleging all the false things in this matter, and they are saying there is no need for CBI investigation because Mumbai police is capable to investigate this matter, and ED is also investigating this matter, and Maharashtra police is very much capable to investigate this matter itself.
All right, so Sanjay, continue to stay with us right there. Sanjay, पर एक बात तो जारी है कि उन्हें सीबीआई प्रोब का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। उनके लॉयर ने कहा है कि अगर ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर करते हैं सीबीआई प्रोब तो उसमें उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। उनका दूसरा प्रॉब्लम तो यही है ना कि बिहार के ज्यूरिसडिक्शन में ये फॉल नहीं करना चाहिए, जो भी जांच करना है वो मुंबई के ज्यूरिसडिक्शन में उनको कराना है।
बिल्कुल, उन्हें डर सीबीआई से नहीं बल्कि डर बिहार पुलिस से है। बिहार में अगर मामले की जांच चलती है तो उस पर उनको ज्यादा डर है। ऑब्जेक्शन की वजह यही है कि इनको अंदर ये डर सता रहा है कि अगर बिहार जाना पड़ा इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए और बिहार में अगर इस मामले का ट्रायल चलता है तो उनके लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल होगा। ऐसे में बॉम्बे में तो बहुत सारी चीजें मैनेज हो सकती हैं और हो रही हैं, लेकिन जब बिहार में अगर ट्रायल चलता है उनके बहुत मुश्किल होगी। पहले तो उन्होंने सिरे से सीबीआई जांच को ही मना किया, बाद में उन्हें लगा कि पूरी तरह से मना करना लीगली थोड़ा खतरनाक हो सकता है, लिहाजा उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है सीबीआई तक भी हम राजी हैं, सीबीआई जांच आप कराएं, लेकिन बिहार में ट्रायल नहीं हो, क्योंकि जो भी एफआईआर दर्ज है उसे मुंबई शिफ्ट कीजिए और मुंबई में इसका ट्रायल चले तो ज्यादा बढ़िया होगा। अब देखते हैं कि कोर्ट का रवैया इसमें क्या रहता है।
All right, संजय हमारे साथ आप बने रहिए। We also have Munish Pandey is reporting from Delhi, Mustafa Sheikh reporting from outside the Enforcement Directorate Office in Mumbai, Sanjay Sharma reporting outside the Supreme Court. A battery of reporters bringing you up to speed to the very latest. संजय, मैं आपके पास आना चाहूंगी और ये जो बिहार का जो FIR है, reportedly तो of course it looks like the Bihar government has been involved quite a bit as well. तो इसी के कारण उन्हें थोड़ा सा बिहार के इन्वॉल्वमेंट का बायस लग रहा होगा। Where does the other argument stand in the Supreme Court vis-a-vis the case being transferred from Bihar to Mumbai?
एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम बिहार से ही है, उनको बिहार पुलिस से प्रॉब्लम है और उन्हें लग रहा है कि अगर बिहार में ट्रायल हुआ तो उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होगी, क्योंकि एक तो मुंबई से बिहार आना जाना और दूसरा बिहार में जिस तरह की चीजें आगे बढ़ी हैं, इन्होंने यह आरोप भी लगाया है कि पॉलिटिकल बायसनेस है, मुख्यमंत्री ने इसमें मुख्यमंत्री इन्वॉल्व हैं, मुख्यमंत्री के प्रेशर पर एफआईआर दर्ज हुई है। तो इन तमाम चीजों को लेकर उन्हें लग रहा है कि मामला बहुत ही खराब होने वाला। अगर बिहार में ट्रायल चलेगा, वहां के लोगों का विरोध, पग पग पर वहां सुरक्षा को लेकर खतरा, और इसके साथ ही बिहार पुलिस ने अपने इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिन पर उनके लिए जवाब देना मुश्किल होगा। मुंबई में तो बहुत सारी चीजें वो मैनेज कर सकती हैं, और ऐसे में आना जाना और वहां लोगों का गुस्सा झेलना, इसके अलावा जो पॉलिटिकल रिपरकशंस होंगे इसके, उन सारी चीजों को लेकर रिया चक्रवर्ती और इनके वकील ज्यादा संजीदा हैं, ज्यादा डरे हुए हैं, और इसीलिए कोर्ट में वो सभी दलीलें दे रहे हैं कि किसी भी तरह से बिहार में इसका ट्रायल ना हो, बाकी और जो हो सो हो जाए।
राइट, संजय आप